Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enter the latitude and longitude in Google Maps. So here we are on the mobile. Here we have to tap this search bar on the top, and now we have to tap to the numbers on the keyboard. Now we have three ways to enter the decimals, the numbers. The first one is decimal degrees, which can be, for example, 37 point, dot, we have to tap a dot here, 7749 here, and now we can tap a comma, and now we can add the second number. The first is the latitude and the second is longitude. Here minus 122 point, of course, point 494. This is the first way of entering the decimals. The second is with the minutes and seconds, but it's less useful. And the third one is degrees and decimal minutes, which is DMM, and is less useful too on the map. Here, as you can see, we have the first longitude and the second latitude. And as you can see, we are now here in the middle of the California, as I can see. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.